A very good morning. This presentation is brought to you by Resonate International with a mission to leverage knowledge worldwide. The topic being covered is trust and faith. When the cosmos listens. Ladies and gentlemen, from the dawn of awareness, humanity has believed that existence listens, that there is beyond the silence of the stars a conscious intelligence that feels, responds, and restores balance across ages and faiths. The bond between the human spirit and the divine has endured as an invisible dialogue of trust. Faith in this eternal relationship becomes the bridge linking human fragility with cosmic compassion, turning prayer into communion and silence into response. Science reveals a universe governed by precision, atoms obeying unseen order, galaxies spiraling in mathematical grace. Ancient wisdom recognized the same truth in spiritual language, that behind the harmony of creation lies intelligence, aware and responsive. Whether seen as energy, consciousness, or divine presence, this intelligence sustains, corrects, and recalibrates the grand design when imbalance arises. The human brain, the masterpiece of creation, stands as the interface between mortal existence and cosmic intelligence. Within it lies the limbic network, the seat of emotion, intuition, and devotion, capable of sending signals beyond the physical plane. When faith matures into sincerity and trust becomes unwavering, an alignment occurs between human energy and the universal field. Thought transforms into vibration. Emotion becomes transmission. The brain, like a sacred instrument, acts as transmitter, receiver, and interpreter of the subtle dialogue between the self and the cosmos. In moments of despair, when emotion peaks and worlds fail, the heart releases a pure frequency, an SOS of the soul. The cosmos, sensitive to sincerity, listens, just as a parent senses the unspoken distress of a child. The universal consciousness perceives the vibrations of faith and responds through subtle rearrangements of life's patterns. The form of that response may defy logic, a sudden insight, an unexpected helping hand, or a quiet courage to endure. Yet the hand of the unseen works with precision, aligning forces to heal and restore. Trust and faith form the resonance that keeps this communion alive. They refine the human signal, transforming fear into openness and chaos into clarity. In their absence, transmission falters. With their presence, the connection deepens. Across civilizations, this truth has echoed in different tongues that the cosmos is not indifferent but interactive, that every sincere call is heard and no soul abandoned. What's the way forward? In an age where technology amplifies reason but quiets reflection, rediscovering faith is not regression but evolution. To trust is not to dismiss science but to expand it, to accept that beyond equations lies awareness, and beyond logic a living intelligence. Cultivating inner silence, gratitude and sincerity refines the personal frequency, bringing one into harmony with the cosmic rhythm that sustains existence. Faith, then, is not blind belief, but the science of resonance, where purity of intent aligns with the consciousness of creation itself. Through this alignment, humanity does not merely seek divine help, it co-creates the unfolding of destiny with the universe. In conclusion, ladies and gentlemen, when faith becomes steady and trust unwavering, the universe listens. Every thought becomes a wave, every emotion a signal in the great ocean of consciousness. The cosmos may not speak in words, yet it responds through people, events, or inner strength, ensuring no sincere plea goes unheard. The law that governs stars also governs souls, bound by the same intelligence that birthed both matter and meaning. as Lord Krishna profoundly declares in the revered Bhagavad Gita, one who is full of faith attains divine wisdom with senses disciplined and mind devoted. Such a being swiftly attains peace. Faith opens the channel, trust sustains it, and through that sacred communion, the cosmos listens and responds with love beyond comprehension. Good luck, best wishes, and God bless.